Hey, how's it going, guys? Do you have a favorite picture that still has your ex in it and you want it completely gone? Well, I'm going to show you how to remove your ex from that picture. Check it out. All right, here you go, guys. What I got is this photo from a stock photo site. And what you want to do is kind of look at the image and see how you want to kind of cut up the photo. So I'm going to zoom in here, and then I'm going to... So let's say, for example, she wants him out of the picture literally. So what I'm going to do is kind of see where I can cut along her side of the picture. So I'll go ahead and cut. And then what I'm going to do is cut him out, cut him out. Okay, see, now he's gone from the picture. So what I want to do here now is kind of like put this background to cover this outline right here, or this missing part of the picture. So what I can do, if you look at the picture on the screen, what I want to do is kind of like use the existing background and kind of fill it in here, right? So how are we going to do that? You kind of got to be really creative, because and all pictures aren't the same. So let's see, let's copy this. Oops. Go to that layer and then, oh, what the heck? Get it undo. Okay, so if you look at it, it's pretty much gone, but the background is not matching it, right? It kind of looks weird right here. It looks like it was photoshopped. So you're gonna have to kind of clean it up. This is a better idea. So I'm gonna delete this layer right here. Delete the layer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually take this whole background right here, this layer 1 of the picture. I'm gonna take this whole background. I'm gonna kind of move it. Let me see. So let me copy. I'm gonna move it this way. Oh shoot! I'm gonna move it towards her so it kind of matches. So let's make it the feather at 35. Okay, let's try to see how it looks. Bam. Okay, that's what I wanted. So I wanted to, I don't know what that's called, feathering. You know what? We didn't even have to delete that guy, so yeah, let's do this. I'll make sure it covers that. Okay. Well, there you have it. download the software and try it for yourself. You know, let me know how it goes. I'll catch you next time.